What if your car could outlast everyone else's and hit 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat? No gimmicks, no myths, just smart habits. Most people destroy their cars without even realizing it. But today, you're getting the blueprint to do the opposite. These are 6 powerful practices that go beyond factory advice. And once you start them, there's no going back. Let's get into it. Habit number 1, transmission fluid replacement. Think your transmission will last forever just because the manual says lifetime fluid? That's a myth, and an expensive one. Ignore this, and your transmission might not even make it to 300,000 miles. Every time you drive, transmission fluid operate under constant heat and pressure. Heat and friction slowly break down that fluid, turning it from a smooth lubricant into a damaging sludge. And once that happens, your transmission starts slipping, jerking, and wearing itself out from the inside. The scary part? It doesn't fail overnight. It slowly dies while most drivers don't even notice. The fix is simple but powerful. Change your transmission fluid every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. This keeps everything running cool, clean, and properly lubricated. Because when your transmission shifts smoothly, it's not just comfort, it's a sign your entire system is healthy. This is one of the most ignored habits, but also one of the biggest secrets behind cars that actually last. Habit number 2, 3,000-mile oil rule. Waiting until the last mile of your oil interval? Big mistake. Oil breaks down long before it hits the maximum limit. Real-world driving is harsh. Traffic, heat, short trips, constant stops. All of this breaks down engine oil much faster than people realize. Talk to experienced mechanics, and you'll hear a very different story. Most agree the sweet spot is 3,000 to 5,000 miles for real engine protection. Go beyond that, and oil starts turning into sludge instead of protection. Friction increases, internal parts wear faster, and damage quietly builds up. The worst part? You won't notice it right away. It shows up years later. Timing chain stretch, rough engine noise, costly repairs. Also, never reuse the oil filter. Every oil change should include a fresh filter, no shortcuts. Trying to save a little money here can cost you thousands later, because when oil fails, your engine pays the price. Habit number 3, maintain your cooling system. Engines don't just fail out of nowhere, they overheat first. It's a slow, silent process most drivers never notice until it's too late. Coolant doesn't last forever. Over time, it loses its ability to control heat. As it breaks down, your engine starts running hotter than it should. Hoses begin to crack, radiators get clogged, and pressure builds up inside the system. The scary part? All of this happens quietly, without obvious warning signs. Then one day, temperature spikes, and the damage is already done. Warped heads, blown gaskets, or even a completely ruined engine. That's why regular coolant flushes aren't optional. They're protection. Check for leaks, inspect hoses, and don't ignore small signs, because it only takes one overheating event to destroy an engine. Take care of your cooling system like your engine depends on it, because it absolutely does. Habit number 4, smart warm-up. Jump into your car, start it, and slam the gas. That might feel powerful, but it's actually one of the fastest ways to wear out your engine. In those first few seconds after startup, your engine is at its most vulnerable because the oil hasn't fully circulated yet, meaning critical parts aren't properly protected. Revving hard during this moment causes invisible damage that builds up over time. The good news is, your engine doesn't need much, just 30 to 60 seconds to wake up and get properly lubricated. This simple habit can significantly reduce internal wear and extend engine life. It becomes even more important during cold mornings, when oil is thicker and slower to flow. But remember, there's a balance. Letting your car idle for too long wastes fuel and creates carbon buildup. The smart approach is simple. Start calmly, drive gently, and let your engine warm up naturally as you go. Treat it right in the first minute, and it'll reward you with years of smooth, reliable performance. Habit number 5, Drive smooth, not aggressive. Your driving style plays a huge role in how long your car actually lasts, often more than people realize. Hard acceleration puts unnecessary stress on the engine and transmission, forcing them to work harder than they were designed for in everyday driving. Sudden braking has a similar effect, wearing down your brakes, tires, and suspension much faster over time. When aggressive driving becomes a habit, it creates constant mechanical strain across every major system in your vehicle. On the other hand, smooth and controlled driving allows everything to operate under balanced conditions, significantly reducing wear and tear. Gentle acceleration, steady speeds, and gradual braking help extend the life of key components and improve overall efficiency. It's not just about comfort. It's about protecting your investment. If you want your car to stay reliable for years, you have to think beyond speed and focus on how you treat it every time you drive. Here's the truth. There's no secret hack, just habits that most people ignore. Follow these 6 practices, and your car can go far beyond expectations. 300,000 miles isn't luck. It's discipline. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world car tips that actually work.